How you doing, folks? I'm Trent Sanderson. You're tuned to the infamous Living Room Network. Welcome to my channel. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. So I was just telling my good friend yesterday who wanted to start her business or whatever. She has like a salon idea or whatever. She wants to be like a hairstylist and whatnot. And so she doesn't have a business card yet. And I told her, before even I had my business, before I even knew what to do with my business, the first thing that I knew to do was to get business cards. Get business cards. Business cards are the most effective way to grow your business. Like I said, even if you're the type of person who doesn't even have the complete vision of the business yet, even if you're the type of person who's like scared to talk to people and kind of shy, get business cards. Get business cards. If you don't really want to conversate with people, get business cards. And I'm going to tell you how to use these things effectively, folks, if you just stay tuned through the whole video. Anyway, if you like tips on how to grow your business or whatever, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I talk about this stuff from time to time. And make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if this video resonates with you at the end of the video. But anyway, so this is the box that I received from VistaPrint. And as you can see, I've given away all 500 of my business cards. And on the inside, they gave me this 20% off little ticket, whatever, for purchasing the 500 business cards. And so the next time I go back to purchase more, which would probably be today, I'm going to use this little 20% off voucher thing that they give you every time you purchase something from VistaPrint. VistaPrint is the best site for buying business cards, folks. One time I bought 100 cards for only $7.99. Come on now. You can buy 100 standard cards, and this is standard. This is not gloss or anything. Can you see it up close? This is my business card. That's my logo. And on the back, as you can see, I have like my name, I have my YouTube channel, I have my email address, and I have my email. That's all you need. That's all you need. Like I said, it doesn't even have to be fancy. As you can see, it's just my logo on the front, one of my logos, and then another one, my logo's on the back or whatever. And so this is not even glossy, And so I think that you can buy 500 business cards on VistaPrint for like $10. And you can buy like 100 for like $7.99. And like I said, on top of that, usually on their site, they're giving away some type of promotion or whatever that you can key in, upon your purchase. So it's even cheaper when you go to the site and you actually, purchase, order and whatnot. And they're going to send you even more discounts inside the box when you get the card. So VistaPrint is the way to go. VistaPrint is the way to go. And folks, I have a link to get business cards from VistaPrint right below this video in the description section if you want to get your business cards today. But you need to get business cards, folks. When I'm out, everywhere I go, when I go somewhere, I always make sure I have at least 10 business cards on me. And I'm down to 3, unfortunately now, but I'm gonna get more. But I always made sure when I had my cards, I always made sure before I left the house, I put at least 10 cards inside my wallet, because my objective was to meet 5 people a day and give them a business card. So every person that I would come in contact with, I will make sure that I promote my business. And this is how you be effective when using your business cards, folks. Think about how many people you talk to or you see every day. Think about that clerk at the gas station. Think about the person outside on the pump behind you at the gas station. Think about the people that you see at your job, that you talk to if you do customer service. Think about when you're going out to events, how you just start talking to random people. That's your chance to market yourself. If you don't have anything else to say, folks, get those business cards out when you go out, everywhere you go, and make sure you're giving it to somebody, in the midst of your conversation. Hey, yeah, before I quit talking to you, I just want to, share with you this opportunity. Well, check out my business. Check out my business. I mean, you'll like it. Just go to my website, and you might like it, you might not like it. Chances are, folks, these people will look at what you have going on, especially if your business card looks decent and it looks somewhat professional, and it's not plain. As you can see, my card is not plain because I blew my logo up and made it real big, and black is on the front and white is on the back. So it looks kind of like something that I would be interested in, even if I this wasn't my business. So always, when you're creating your business card on VistaPrint, make it look like something that somebody else would be interested in versus something that you think would, you know, make you feel good. You know what I'm saying? And so that's very important when it comes down to having you know, an effective tactic when it comes down to like meeting new people. Always give your business cards out every single day. When you get these cards, they should not be sitting in your closet. They should not just be sitting around your house. You should always have them on you every single day. And your objective should be to meet like 5 people a day and give them a business card. That way, when you go to sleep at night, you feel so good about your business, because I'm telling you, people will follow up and they will see what your business is all about, and they will probably end up being your client. They will probably end up being your client. I remember it's been plenty of days where I went out and I just wanted to have fun with my friends, but I made sure I had 5 business cards on me, and everybody that I came in contact with when I was at this lounge or whatever the case may be, I was giving them business cards, and I would remember when I woke up like, man, I actually promoted myself last night and marketed myself last night, even though I was out having fun. And it makes you feel so good to know that you've given your business cards out to people, you know, while you were out just having fun and just celebrating with the family or something. It makes you feel good because you know you're getting work done, you know, pertaining towards your business, and you're always moving forward every day. And that's another client, you know, that you got that fast just by giving them your business card. So again, folks, it's very important. Get your business cards. If you don't have anything else pertaining to your business, make sure that you get your business cards first, and they are very, very cheap, very inexpensive. It's crazy how cheap they are on VistaPrint. But make sure you go down to click that link in VistaPrint to get your card, folks. And you can use my referral link or whatever, and I think they're gonna give you a percentage off if you use my link. So don't waste any time any longer, folks. Again, make sure you subscribe if you want more tips like this. I'm Trent Henderson of the infamous Living Room Network. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Do you have business cards? Do you use VistaPrint? Or are you looking forward to buying VistaPrint business cards? We all want to know, folks. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.